You know, the word service can mean many things. If you walked into a shop and you saw a notice on the counter and a push bell, and on the notice it said, ring for service, you would naturally assume that if you pressed the bell, someone would come into the shop to serve you. But of course, the word service can mean many things, as the customers to this shop are about to find out when they press this bell. Who rang?
No, I didn't know
Hey?
that. I just pressed that.
Fire service.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Didn't you know that?
No.
What did you ring? Hey?
No, I didn't know. I just did it.
You just did
I
it.
just pressed that.
You started off the fire
Well,
alarm.
I don't know that, do I? Didn't say that.
Fire service. Stop it.
Say that.
Stop. Stop. Cut off the fire alarm.
Oh, my gosh. I didn't see anybody in the shop, and I thought that was just...
No, that's fire service.
Oh,
Ring
I
for the
mean,
fire.
I didn't know.
You didn't know?
I thought it was for somebody in the shop, because there was nobody serving.
Yeah.
Nobody's here, no?
No?
I can't.
There was nobody here. We've been standing here, haven't we, waiting to be served.
Yeah.
I read that and I thought that was for somebody to come in the shop.
Well, actually it is, you see, because I must tell you something now. You've heard of Candid camera?
Oh!
Big surprise.
Oh, no, never.
Yes.
Again?
Well, there it is over there.
Oh, never.
Pardon?
I
Rang when?
don't know.
Fire service.
Oh.
Who rang? Who rang? Cut the fire service. Who rang? Who rang?
Oh, ring for service.
Excuse me, do you ring for fire? Hey? Hey? Hang on a minute, sir. Come here. Turn the alarm off.
I
Hey?
won't just come in the shop.
Did you ring the bell?
No, I haven't touched nothing yet.
Where's the fire?
I don't know.
Hey? Did you press that bell?
Yeah.
It's fire service. Put the fire alarm a minute. Hey?
Oh, ring for service.
Hey?
Ring for service.
Yeah, fire service.
Oh, I don't take fire service. I heard ring for service in the shop.
Cut the fire alarm a minute, will you please? Did you press it? Did you press
I
it?
pressed it, mate. I pressed it for service in the shop. I was in the shop. It says ring for service.
Yeah, fire service.
Well, it doesn't say fire on there, mate.
Service, does it?
Well, you got the fire, you got us out, haven't you?
Where'd you come from then?
Candid camera.
I thought there was something in it.